Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy call options on Webull. First, you will need to enable options trading within your Webull account settings. This usually involves a quick application and approval process. Next, make sure you have enough capital in your account to cover the cost of your desired options contracts. It is also crucial to understand the fundamentals of call options before you begin trading them. Once your account is ready, search for the specific stock or exchange-traded fund you want to trade options on. After finding the security, locate and tap on its options chain. Here, you will see various expiration dates and strike prices. Carefully select an expiration date that aligns with your strategy, and then choose a strike price you believe the underlying asset will surpass. After selecting your preferred call option contract, you will proceed to the order entry screen. Here, you need to choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific maximum price. Then, specify the number of contracts you wish to purchase. Remember, one contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying asset. Before submitting your order, take a moment to thoroughly review all the details. Double-check the ticker symbol, expiration date, strike price, number of contracts, and order type to ensure everything is correct. Once you are confident, confirm the trade to finalize your call option purchase. After your order is filled, actively monitor your position to manage your risk and potential profits effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.